In the last period, we completed our practice set in financial planning 4.1. Then next part is GST in trading. First manufacturer, after that wholesaler or distributor, after that retailer, and after that consumer. Trading chain within a state. Then here let's learn through an example how GST is charged and paid to the government at every stage of trading. Illustration: suppose manufacturer of a watch has sold one watch for rupees 200 including profit to the wholesaler. Wholesaler sold that watch for rupees 300 to the retailer. Retailer sold it to the customer for rupees 200. Rate of GST charged at every stage is 12%. Then how each trader pays GST and takes his input tax credit ITC at every stage of transaction is shown in the following flow chart. Observe and study it. Explanation. Here, three financial transactions took place till the watch from manufacturer reaches to the customer. How the taxes are charged, collected and paid to the central government and state government at each stage is shown below. The statement of taxes paid is given in the table thereafter. See GST, GST 24, total GST 48. Then that chart we see thereafter. B2B is business to business, and business to consumer. Here, this part I am taking. Trading between GST and holders is known as business to business. In short, B2B. Trading between GST and holder and customer is known as business to consumer. In short, B2C. This is the last link in the trading chain. Bifurcation of taxes paid to the government by the traders at each stage is shown here. Then, what is input tax credit (ITC)? What is input tax credit (ITC)? GST is divided and collected at every stage of trading from manufacturer to consumer. When trader pays GST at the time of purchase, it is called input tax, and collects GST at the time of sale, which is called output tax. At the time of paying GST to the government, trader deducts the input tax from the output tax. At the time of paying GST to the government, the trader deducts the input tax from the output tax and pays the remaining tax. This deduction of input tax is called input tax credit. GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC, input tax credit. Practice set 4.2. Example 4.2. Here solved examples also that I will take thereafter. Solved examples I will see after completion of practice set 4.2. See here, Chetana store paid total GST of rupees 1,05,000 at the time of purchase and collected GST of rupees 1,22,500 at the time of sale during 1st of July 2017 to 31st July 2017. Find the GST payable by Chetana stores. Here, output tax means tax collected at the time of sale, rupees 1,22,500. Input tax paid at the time of purchase is rupees 1,05,000. GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax credit. 1,22,500 minus 1,05,000, rupees 22,000. Second example, Najma is a proprietor of a firm registered under GST. She has paid GST of rupees 12,500 on purchase and collected rupees 14,750 on sale. What is the amount of ITC to be claimed? What is the amount of GST payable? Input tax paid at the time of purchase, rupees 12,500. Output tax collected at the time of sale, rupees 14,750. GST payable, output tax minus input tax credit, 14,750 minus 12,500, rupees 2,250. The third example is Amir Enterprise purchased chocolate sauce bottles and paid GST rupees 3,800. He sold those bottles to Akbari brothers and collected GST of rupees 4,100. Mayank Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Brothers and paid GST of rupees 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage of trading and hence find payable CGST and AGST. Amir Enterprises input tax paid at the time of purchase. Tax paid at the time of purchase. Tax paid at the time of purchase rupees 3,800. Output tax collected at the time of sale rupees 4,100. GST payable output tax minus ITC input tax credit 4,100 minus 3,800 rupees 300. Then payable CGST 300 upon 2 rupees 150. Payable CAGST 300 upon 2 rupees 150. For Akbari Brothers, ITC is equal to rupees 4,100. Output tax is equal to rupees 4,500. GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC 4,500 minus 4,100 rupees 400. GST payable by Akbari Brothers is rupees 400 and CGST is equal to AGST is equal to 400 upon 2 rupees 200. Then very easy examples are, that's why I am only reading these examples. First of all, I wrote all 3 examples. Similarly, I wrote 4th and 5th also on that board that I am telling you. There is no any difficulty, that's why I am taking it fast.